So look at what I'm working with. So I got this little filter here, and I gotta go all the way in there, and like, this does not fit down there. This is super tight, and I've been using my finger, honestly, because it's the smallest thing that'll get down there. And then I've got, this is the spout that lets out the gas, and there's like, I had to clean on the underside with my finger and try my best because scrub wasn't really going down there too well. The very tips of that does it. It's hard to see with this camera, but you'll see, yeah, you see along those like lines. That's all mold inside those cracks. And then like, just even getting down on like the underside of this, it's terrible.
Extremely quiet. Just got this 2 days ago. Pretty good. Low, medium, high. Turn it on, turn it off. Night light. It's off now. Turn it on. As you can hear, super quiet. Also has a feature in the back where you can put aromatherapy, put the essential oils, do whatever you gotta do, but highly recommend.
What do you use?
Taking a break.
He thought